Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this summer season, today we are going to bake a cake with mango. So let's get started. You'll need 1 and 1/4 cup maida, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup sugar, normal granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract or you can use mango extract, non-flavored oil that is 1/4 cup, milk 3/4 cup, and finely chopped mangoes 1/2 cup. In a bowl, add sugar, oil and mix it properly. You have to mix until the sugar and oil will well combine. Now, as you can see, our sugar and oil mixture is well combined. In this now, sieve dry ingredients. First of all, maida. After that, baking powder. Followed by baking soda. Sieve all these ingredients into our wet mixture. Thoroughly mix wet and dried ingredients. Now, in this mixture, add 1/2 cup of mango. You can use mango puree as well. Just mix it. Add vanilla extract. If you have mango extract, you can use that. For the nice orange color, I am using kesar. In warm milk, I have added 2 to 3 kesar strips and mix well. If you want, you can also use yellow color or orange color. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients. Now gradually add milk, that is little milk at a time. Mix the mixture well. I am using hand beater to cut down the mango pieces and mix the mixture properly. You can also use hand blender for the same. By adding little milk at a time, mix the cake batter properly. Our cake batter is ready. Mix it thoroughly. Check the consistency. It is flowy but not liquidy. We have taken 3/4 cup milk and this much milk is remaining. I have greased cake mold with the help of oil and maida. Add cake batter in it. Tap it twice. I have preheated the cooker for 15 minutes on medium-low flame. Add the cake mold in it. From the cooker lid, I have removed the ring and the whistle of the cooker. Now bake the cake for 40 minutes on medium-low flame. After 40 minutes, I have checked the cake by inserting a toothpick and remove it from the cooker. Allow the cake to cool down completely for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, I have removed the cake from the mold. As you can see, the cake comes out so soft and spongy. For the decoration, I have taken half cup of whipping cream, non-dairy whipping cream. Beat it until you get the stiff peak. For this, make sure your cream should be very cold. I have trimmed the sides of the cake and cut the cake into 2 pieces. If you don't want to cut the cake, that is also okay. Now, pour the whipped cream into a piping bag for the decoration of the cake. Now, on the cake base, first pipe some whipped cream so that the cake can stick properly on the base. Just a little. Put base of the cake and press it gently. Drizzle some sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is nothing but a 2 teaspoons of sugar melted in 2 teaspoons of water. It will keep the cake moist for the longer period. Now apply layer of whipped cream. You can increase or decrease the amount of whipped cream as per your liking, or as I have said earlier that you don't want to cut the cake in the half, that is also okay. Now apply the second layer of the cake and repeat the same procedure. First drizzle some sugar syrup, press it gently to stick with the whipped cream. Then the layer of whipped cream. This is top portion of the cake, so apply large amount of whipped cream. With the help of offside spatula, level the whipped cream. Apply the cream on the sides as well. Cover the entire cake with whipped cream. If you don't have piping bag, then also you can use some Ziploc bag or normal polythene. Level the cake with the help of spatula. If you want, take some more cream. cake is properly leveled, clean the outer surface of the cake base and allow it to cool completely in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now, on the next side, I have made a mango ganache type of thing and pour it into a Ziploc bag. This mango ganache or mango gel is nothing but adding half cup of mango puree with 2 tablespoons of sugar and half cup of water. Heat it for some time until it gets little thickened. Now pipe the gel or ganache on the outer side of the cake. Just drizzle it up and down, up and down. I have made some mango roses with freshly cut mangoes. Decorate the cake with it. With the help of star nozzle, decorate the cake. And the cake is ready. Bake this at home and enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.